Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I will be helping you how to correct a parallel parking. So as you are doing the parking, maybe you are too close to the pavement or maybe you finished it and it's too far from the pavement. How do you correct that? So in this video, I will help you how to correct if you finish too much away from the pavement or you are too close to the pavement. First, I will explain and then I will show you how it's done in practice. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and let's start the lesson. Okay, so let's talk about how to correct a parallel parking. Now, this video is not about how to do a parallel parking. If you need a full lesson on how to do a parallel parking, please watch the other video on the channel, which we have a full lesson on how to do a parallel parking. This video will help you how to correct if you go too close to the pavement or if you are too far from the pavement. How do you correct? So you are now prepared for you to do a parallel parking. This is your car and that's the car you are using to do the parallel parking. So you prepare the car to go backwards, so reverse gear, look around, look at the back mainly and keep going backwards. And you are going backwards. Once you reach this point here, make sure that you use the left side mirror to know where the pavement is. Obviously, look at the back mainly over your shoulder to see who's at the back, but look at the side mirror every now and again to know where the pavement is, because that's the only way you're going to know when to do the steering to get the car coming in. So keep going backwards. If you've done the steering too early, you will end up too far from the pavement, and if you've done it too late, then you'll end up going to the pavement. So once you are going in, if you think you are too far, keep going back a little bit more, or maybe you've done the steering too early and your car is now too far from the pavement, or you've gone too much in and now if you go any further you will hit the pavement. In that case, stop, handbrake on and go to first gear and then go forward to correct the parking again. Now when you go forward, and this is the problem for many learners, when they go forward they start to go at the beginning where they started from, and this is the problem. Don't go there again. Get the car prepared, which is first gear, look around, look at the blind spot to see if there's anyone coming, and then go forward in an angle towards right around here again. So you're going back to this step, which is around 2 o'clock. So if this was your car, this would be 12 o'clock. So go back again to around 2 o'clock. When I say 2 o'clock, I mean imagine a clock. This would be 12 o'clock and this would be 2 o'clock. So go forward again at 2 o'clock in an angle, stop, go to reverse gear, look around, and then you go back again until you reach the pavement, then do full right look again until the car is straight and you get the wheel straight, and that's it. That's how you correct. The thing I want to highlight here, now correcting means many learners, like I said, they go forward but they go where they started from. Don't go there. From there, steer right and go in an angle, like I said, around 2 o'clock and stop. And when you stop here, make sure the wheel is straight. Get the wheel straight, so then you go straight backwards to the pavement again. So like I said, so let me repeat. When you go forward, steer right from here to go there. Once you reach this point in an angle, get the wheel straight. Once the wheel is straight, then go reverse backwards straight to the pavement. Once you reach the pavement, do full right lock, wait until the car is straight, and then get the wheel straight, and done. The main thing about this parking is that make sure you get the steps right. Now, first few times maybe it is difficult for you to get it right. Now keep on doing it until you get the reference points when to do the steering, especially the ending. Now in the beginning, for you to judge what the pavement is to do the full right lock, maybe you get it wrong first few times. Keep doing it until you get the judgment right, and then you'll be fine. So you have prepared and you are going backwards, reversing to do the parallel parking. So you are reversing, looking at the back mainly. Make sure you look at the back mainly, but look on the side mirror, the left side mirror especially, to see how far you are from the pavement. So say in this case you've done the steering a bit too early and you are too far from the pavement, or maybe you've done the steering a bit too late and you are too close to the pavement, which means you have to go forward to correct. So say you are coming in and look at the back mainly, but look on the left side mirror to see how far you are. And once you reach this point, when the car is nearly straight, then decide by looking at the side mirror to see how far you are. So if you think your car is too far or too near, which means you have to go forward to correct. So you would go to first gear, look around, blind spot, and then go forward in an angle towards right. So don't go to the place where you started from. Go towards right in an angle, like I said, around 2 o'clock towards right. And then once you reach around 2 o'clock, get your wheel straight, handbrake on and reverse gear, look around, and then you look at the back and you reverse. This time obviously look at the back mainly, but look at the left side mirror to make sure that you don't go too close or you don't do steering too early. So keep going back, do the steering on time, which is when you are close to the pavement, not too close or not too far. Once you reach when the car is straight, and then you get the wheel straight. Once the wheel is straight, put the handbrake on, go to neutral, and that's it. Two of my youngest son decided to come with me to make few clips of the video, and look what happened. Feeling bored and sleepy. So I decided to take them to the park at the end of the clips, and look what happened. They were running around happy, having some fun, which made me happy. I thought I share this happy moment with you all. Thank you for watching. Okay, that's it for today, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And thanks for watching, and bye for now.